Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the counter glove using an easy method. First, you'll want to head to the main hub area of the game. Look for the special vendor, often marked with a unique icon on your map. Before approaching, make sure your character has reached at least level 10. This is a crucial prerequisite to even begin the process. Also, have 500 gold coins ready for the first step of the acquisition. Once you've found the vendor and met the level requirement, they will offer you a very straightforward task. This usually involves a quick fetch quest. You'll need to collect 3 specific rare herbs. These herbs are typically located in an area like the Whispering Woods, not too far from the hub. Make sure to complete this collection and return to the vendor within a generous 10-minute time limit to succeed. After successfully completing the vendor's task, they will reward you with a special crafting recipe. This recipe is essential for creating your counter glove. You'll then need to gather 2 sturdy leather straps. These can often be obtained by defeating common forest creatures, making them quite easy to acquire. Finally, take all your collected materials to any crafting station available in the game world and combine them to forge your new glove. Congratulations! You now possess the counter glove. The next step is to equip it in your character's designated hand slot. To truly master its power, spend some time practicing its unique counter ability. Training dummies are perfect for this, allowing you to get a feel for its timing. Remember, this glove offers a 20% chance to deflect incoming attacks, giving you a significant advantage in combat situations. Enjoy your new gear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.